Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Just wanted to show some people our grout color restoration, and this job that we've done, we color sealed this about 3 or 4 years ago. She called us back for a maintenance cleaning. I just want to show you the floor here and the grout line, and it looks like it's all dirty. This is topical. This is just sitting on top of the sealer, and this can just be cleaned. It's a simple maintenance issue. So all I can do here is take a little bit of neutral cleaner, clean this line, and just grab a towel. And the line comes up perfect every time. So keep in mind, this is a permanent grout color restoration. No need to strip it. As a worst case scenario, we could just color right over top of the color.